Here we have the same core from the previous bump stop video, the one that I grinded out so I could remove the plug. Same key. What I'm gonna do, well, let's go ahead and, the bump key still opens this lock. Let's go ahead and, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop these first two pins here, and I'm gonna put in these two short pins. Now this key doesn't work. The bump key doesn't work. We're gonna go ahead and try and put it together, which may or may not be possible without actually opening the lock. Yeah, I have to be able to open the lock to put it together, so I guess I won't be bumping it in the core. That's not a big deal. Okay, there's the bump key. Here's the improper real key. Doesn't work it either. Now, we'll see if we can't bump this thing open. What do I got here to bump with? Here's a hammer. I want my wooden one. Hold on, I'll get my wooden one. 'Cause I don't think rubber works well. There's my wooden handle. And while I'm here, I'll tighten that up a bit more. Alright. Bump key. Regular non-working key. Bump key. Oops. There it is, bumped open. Now we'll check from the bottom. You can see that those 3 pins, the 2 that I changed in the bump stop, are short pins, so they're far down in there. Let's turn the light on, you can see them down in there. I'll go ahead and remove the core. 5 clicks. There's the key pins again. There's the 4 regular pins. And check this out, this is funny. Look in there, the bump stop pin. It didn't come out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still in there. I'm gonna reach up in there and poke it. See if we can't get it to come out. There it is. And there's the bump stop pin right in the middle where it was last time. Let me get all the pins situated here. There's the key pins that I removed, and I put in 2 smaller pins so that the bump key wouldn't just open the lock. And there's the 5 drivers. There's the 5 key pins that are now in it, or were now in it. And there's the bump key, the key that doesn't work. I'll make it so that that key works again. But there it is. Masterlocks BumpStop does not work. Thanks for watching.